Take a ride in the 2020 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, touring suspension, dual power sliding doors, blind spot monitor, electronic parking brake, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.